Is our moon just a barren rock or a cosmic time capsule hiding riddles we've barely scratched? From its mysterious birth to gravity anomalies called mascons and even wild ideas that it was placed here on purpose today, we dive deep into what we know about Earth's only natural satellite. For thousands of years we've looked up at that familiar silver disk, a constant companion on our planet's journey through space. But for all its familiarity, the moon is an object of profound mystery. Every crater, every dust particle, and every strange gravitational pull tells a story that we are only just beginning to decipher. We'll explore its violent birth, the strange gravitational lumps that tug on our spacecraft, and even the idea that the moon isn't a natural object at all. So, get comfortable as we launch our investigation into the moon's hidden secrets. Where did our moon come from? The leading explanation is the giant impact hypothesis. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object named Theia slammed into a young Earth, vaporizing both bodies and sending debris into orbit. Gravity sculpted this debris into the moon, which cooled over millions of years. The Apollo missions brought back rocks with isotopic fingerprints nearly identical to Earth's, supporting this theory. But if Theia was a separate body, why don't we see its unique chemical signature in lunar rocks? Computer models suggest most of the moon should be made from Theia, yet the evidence doesn't match. The moon's small iron core is another puzzle. The theory says Theia's core merged with Earth, but simulations struggle to recreate the moon's current orbit and structure. The more we learn, the more questions arise. The giant impact hypothesis fits much of the evidence, but not all. The moon's origin remains one of science's great unsolved mysteries. Sometimes the more you know, the less certain you become. With the giant impact hypothesis facing questions, let's look at other ideas. The co-formation hypothesis suggests Earth and Moon formed together from the same cloud, explaining their similar composition, but it can't explain the moon's lack of iron. The capture theory imagines the moon formed elsewhere and was snagged by Earth's gravity, but capturing such a massive object into a stable orbit is nearly impossible. The fission theory, proposed by George Darwin, suggests a rapidly spinning Earth flung off a chunk that became the moon. But Earth would have needed to spin far faster than physics allows. Each theory explains some things, but none solve the whole puzzle. The moon's origin story is still up for debate. That's what makes it so fascinating. Even with all our technology, the moon keeps its secrets. Science is still searching for the full answer. Early lunar missions revealed something odd: spacecraft orbiting the moon would dip and wobble unexpectedly. The cause? Mascons mass concentrations hidden beneath the moon's largest basins. These dense regions pull on spacecraft, acting like invisible mountains of gravity. Mascons likely formed from ancient asteroid impacts, with dense mantle rock and lava filling the craters. But here's the twist: mascons are mostly found on the near side of the moon, not the far side. Why this asymmetry? No one knows for sure. Understanding mascons is crucial for future lunar missions, affecting landings and orbits. NASA's Grail mission mapped the moon's gravity in detail, but the mystery remains. The moon's interior is far stranger than we once thought, another secret still unsolved. The moon's gravity shapes life on Earth every day. Its pull creates tides, driving the ebb and flow of our oceans and shaping coastal ecosystems. Tides may have even helped life move from sea to land. The moon also slows Earth's rotation, gradually lengthening our days. When the moon formed, a day was just 5 or 6 hours long. Now it's 24, and still growing. As Earth slows, the moon drifts away, about 3.8 centimeters per year. Without the moon, tides would be tiny, days much shorter, and Earth's climate far more extreme. The moon's gentle tug has made Earth more stable and habitable. Its influence is woven into the fabric of life. Our world would be unrecognizable without it. The moon does more than make tides, it stabilizes Earth's tilt. Our 23.5-degree tilt gives us seasons, but without the moon, that tilt could wobble wildly, as it does on Mars. The moon's gravity acts as an anchor, keeping Earth's tilt steady and our climate predictable. This stability has been crucial for complex life to evolve. Recent research hints the moon may even help preserve our atmosphere, influencing how oxygen escapes into space. The moon is more than a pretty light in the sky, it's a silent guardian. It keeps our climate stable, our air intact, and our world habitable. Without it, Earth might be a planet of chaos. The moon's role is essential, even if we rarely notice it. Now let's step into the realm of fringe theory. What if the moon isn't natural at all? The spaceship moon theory claims the moon was built or placed by advanced aliens. Supporters point to perfect solar eclipses, the moon's circular orbit, and its tidal locking as evidence of design. Some even cite seismic data. When modules crashed, the moon rang like a bell, as proof it's hollow. Scientists counter these claims. Eclipses are a temporary coincidence, tidal locking is common, and the ringing is due to the moon's dry, fractured nature. The artificial moon idea is pure speculation, but it shows how strange our satellite really is. The moon inspires wild ideas because it still defies easy explanation. Even the wildest theories remind us how much we have left to learn. The golden age of lunar exploration is just beginning. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon, build a base, and unlock its secrets. New missions will drill for samples, map gravity anomalies, and search for water ice. Other nations and private companies are joining the race, sending landers, rovers, and even planning lunar outposts. The next decade could finally answer the moon's biggest mysteries. We may learn how it formed, how to use its resources, and how to live on another world. The moon is about to reveal its secrets. What we discover could change our understanding of Earth and our future in space. The moon is no longer just a destination, it's a gateway. Humanity's next giant leap starts here. From its violent birth to its mysterious gravity, the moon is more than a satellite. It's a partner in Earth's story. The more we learn, the more mysteries we find. The journey to understand the moon is a journey to understand ourselves. Next time you look up, remember, it's a world of secrets, waiting to be explored. Which moon mystery intrigues you most? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more space deep dives. Until next time, keep looking up.